I'm strong, independent woman, but I have one thing that I let my partner do. It's opening the doors for me every time we go to the mall or anywhere, even if it's a pharmacy, hospital. I let him open the door for me, except for the car, because sometimes he brings my things, so I'm gonna open the passenger seat at the back. So, however, if in any other establishment or in the house, I would let him open the door for me. Yes, I will purposely stop when I'm near the door, and I will let him open it for me. I will let him hold the door. I don't know, but this is my rule in life. Yes, I can do that because I have a strong independent woman energy, but at least I needed to have a feminine energy too. So that is why, and I think I'm very reasonable for that, cause I can get it when he can't open the door for me, when we are in the car, because of things that I already have been giving to him to carry out or to carry my bags, so that's the only thing that no exception. It's just opening the door anywhere we go. Actually, and I think it's brought an understanding to us because he's been aware of it, without proper communication or without telling him to do it, but he's just aware that when I stop at the door, he'll gonna open it for me, and there is no mad reaction or anything that's not good reaction of that, and that makes me happy. At least in just very simple things, I can still have the feminine energy, of course.